Let's learn about visualizing opposites on a number line. Draw a number line and mark the numbers -4 and +4. Describe the positions relative to 0. So let's do that. Let's draw a number line right here. We have 0 in the middle. We have to get -4 and +4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go to 5. And let's go to -5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. So now we're going to plot our 2 points. Our first point here, -4, is right here on the number line. And we're going to plot +4 right there. We got it. Now let's describe the positions relative to 0. Well, -4 is 4 units from 0. And +4 is 1, 2, 3, 4 units as well from 0. So -4 and +4 are both 4 units from 0. And that kind of shows that they're opposites of each other, right? They're both in the same number of units from 0 if they're opposites. So we've found them on the number line, and we describe the position relative to 0. They're both 4 units away. I hope you learned something here about visualizing opposites on a number line. And as always, thanks for watching.